Leukocytes, the body's defenders. Leukocytes, also known as white blood cells, WBCs, are the primary cellular components of the immune system. They are responsible for protecting the body from infection and disease. Unlike red blood cells, leukocytes lack hemoglobin, have a nucleus, and are capable of movement. Structure of leukocytes. Leukocytes exhibit a variety of structures based on their type. However, they generally share common features. Nucleus. Unlike red blood cells, leukocytes have a nucleus, which houses the cell's genetic material. The shape of the nucleus varies among different types of white blood cells. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains various organelles involved in cellular functions. Granules. Some leukocytes contain granules, which are small particles filled with enzymes and other substances important for their functions. Types of leukocytes and their functions. Leukocytes can be classified into two main groups based on their appearance under a microscope. 1. Granulocytes, neutrophils. The most common type. They are the first responders to infection, engulfing and destroying bacteria. Eosinophils, primarily involved in allergic reactions and defense against parasitic infections. Basophils, release histamine and other inflammatory chemicals, contributing to allergic reactions. 2. Agranulocytes, lymphocytes, key players in the immune response, including B cells, produce antibodies, and T cells directly attack infected cells. Monocytes develop into macrophages, which engulf and destroy debris, dead cells, and pathogens. Different types of leukocytes. Functions of leukocytes. Leukocytes play a crucial role in defending the body against invaders. Phagocytosis. Neutrophils and macrophages engulf and destroy bacteria and other foreign particles. Antibody production. B lymphocytes produce antibodies to neutralize pathogens. Cell-mediated immunity. T lymphocytes directly attack infected cells and cancer cells. Allergic reactions. Basophils and eosinophils contribute to allergic responses. Inflammation. Leukocytes release chemicals that promote inflammation, a protective response to injury or infection. In summary, leukocytes are diverse cells with essential roles in protecting the body from harm. Their ability to recognize and respond to foreign invaders is vital for maintaining health.